Hello guys, in today's video I want to show you what tool I have here. This is the model of the voltage tester. Okay, here inside we have user manual which you should read, to battery, and quick I want to show you what you can do with this nice tool. We start the tool and we can use this with 12 AC and 7 AC volt. Okay, here we have a light, a flashlight, and let's test the tool now. You can test the socket. Okay, so we have power in the socket, we have voltage in the light switch, even in a thermostat with battery, with 3 volts battery. Okay, I like use this tool with set on 12 volts because it's more sensitive. You can use here in a panel. We see already we have signal. Look with how much is the distance, is almost 10 centimeters. Okay guys, now I want to show you the reason why I buy this tool. Here in this room I want to install there on the wall AC, because it's very hot now in the summer, and I have there a box with the wires, you see, and I have here behind the TV I have the power socket. So why I want to use this tool and why I buy this tool? Because normally I should have here up of the socket area, normally I should have a box like this, because the wires go like that and it's coming down here. So with this tool I will check the wires through the hole, because up there where I want to install the AC I need a socket for the AC power. So as I told you, I will set on 12 volt. I have here a consumer, a voltage consumer in a socket, and I will go with this tool. I will check the wire in the wall. Look. So I will come with the letter and I will start check from that point to see where the cable is go until here in the socket, and I hope the cable is not going like that. Normally it must go like that. Okay, so I'm back with the letter. Let's see now. So here we have power in this box with a lot of wires, so we need to go like that until the socket area. So now let's take the wire from the wall. As you see, we have power here. We check the wire. Okay, we go up, up, up. Yes. Yes. So I have power until here. It's almost 1 meter up to the socket. I need more 20 centimeters. So I don't have power here. Maybe from that point it's go in a box in diagonal. I hope not. Here I have power, yeah. Yes, big problem for me now, because the wire is go only by here and I need to go up there. Here is red. 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 Oh, maybe I'm lucky. Red. 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 Yes, it's enough, guys, it's enough. Wow, I have luck today. So, now I'm sure in line with the socket I go straight in line until the horizontal line with the wire box, and right there I can make a hole which I will find the wires, the voltage wires, and I will install a socket for my AC. Okay, I will come back with a photo when it's done. Okay guys, bye, and use this. You must use this. It's a very good tool, guys. Okay. Bye.